We begin this half hour with the rollout of the new COVID booster shots, which are designed to protect against the most prevalent strains of this virus.
And the White House COVID response team held a briefing today discussing those new vaccines. And just like the flu shot, the White House says a COVID booster might be needed every year.
We likely are moving towards a path with a vaccination cadence similar to that of the annual influenza vaccine, with annual updated COVID-19 shots matched to the currently circulating strains for most of the population.
Health departments and pharmacies across Ohio are beginning to receive shipments of that new booster.
And in Summit County, drive-thru clinics are scheduled over the next 2 days to administer those shots. News 5's Bob Jones talks with the health commissioner about who should be getting it.
In Summit County, nearly 65% of residents are fully vaccinated. Currently, the county sees about 150 new COVID cases per day, way down from 1,300 per day from last December. Still, Health Commissioner Donna Skota says booster shots remain very important.
We have to keep the immunity level high so to make sure it doesn't mutate again and we get another strain. The last thing we want is going into the fall again is to have another Delta.
Enter Bivalent. Summit County Public Health just received shipments of the booster, which for some would amount to their 5th shot since COVID-19 invaded. Bivalent is meant to guard against the Omicron strain.
And they felt it was time now that we went ahead and tweaked it to make sure that it does hit that, because it's not going away. It is still hanging around.
Skota says over the next 2 days, there will be drive-thru bivalent booster clinics at the Public Health Building in Akron. Summit County Public Health is stressing those drive-thru clinics are by appointment only Wednesday and Thursday. You can schedule those appointments by visiting their website, scph.org, or by calling 330-926-5795. Jill and John Henry will not be signing up. John has not been vaccinated. Jill got the first 2 shots.
But beyond that, I'm not interested in any more than that, no boosters or anything else. I figure it's another flu.
I just don't know that I want to get a vaccination. I feel healthy.
Those who are 12 and over are eligible for the Pfizer bivalent booster, and those 18 and over can get Moderna. Skota says people should not get bivalent unless it has been 2 months since their last shot.
Of course, it doesn't 100% keep you from getting sick, but it certainly in clinical trials has proven that it keeps people out of the hospital.
And with school back in session, Skota believes it's important for eligible children to stay current with COVID boosters.
Children from the beginning have seemed to be more resilient. They don't get as sick. However, there are still some children that get really sick, and you don't want that.
In Akron, Bob Jones, News 5.
So as Bob just mentioned, the Summit County Board of Health is offering both Moderna and Pfizer bivalent boosters. Let's break all of that down for you here. So the drive-thru clinics are planned for tomorrow and Thursday from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. That's at the Summit County Board of Health on West Market Street. Bob has posted all of this information for making an appointment. It's on his story on news5cleveland.com. And in addition, vaccines.gov now has locations where you can find all of those boosters as well. Now, keep in mind here, only people 12 and older can get the new Pfizer booster shot, Rob.
But doctors say if your child has not received the COVID shot, it's a good idea to get one heading into the fall.